it's Sam.
And me, beautiful me.
And me. Kids absolutely love this dessert. Normally we make it as one big pie, but today we're actually gonna make it super fun and festive.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna make it into little cups. So it's like little individual desserts. So these would be really great for...
I've seen those.
Have you? Yeah, they're so fun. So this is gonna be really fun for like a little Halloween party, or if you're taking you know, little treats to school or something like that. Really fun to make with the kids. There's something they can do with you. Today we are partnering up with Walmart. I'm gonna link it all down below for you guys so that you guys can add these all to your pickup order, and then boom, it's super easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Yeah.
So are you guys ready to get started?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, first we're gonna show you what you need for the little, I don't know what to call them. Shall we call them like, ooh, cemetery pudding cups. Pudding. Should we call them that?
Yeah.
Cemetery pudding cups. Okay, so let me show you what you need.
Pudding.
Pudding. Okay, so here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some gummy worms, because it's gonna look like they're coming out of the dirt.
Yeah.
You're gonna need some pumpkins.
No, pumpkins.
You're gonna need a graham cracker. These ones are actually gluten-free, so this is actually going to be a completely gluten-free dessert so that Jay can eat it. You're gonna need some kind of like food processor. This is great. This is from The Beautiful by Drew Barrymore, and it's actually new, and this is like a little 3-in-1, so it comes with a whisk, a little, let me show you, that thingamabobber, immersion thing, and then it also comes with a chopper. So that's what we're gonna use to chop up our Oreos. You need some cups if you're gonna do it the way we are. You're gonna need a little candy decorating kit. So this has like all sorts of pumpkins and ghosts and bats and just fun things to decorate.
And also you gotta add a little spice.
Yes, we have some spiders. We've got another fun little one that has RIP, gravestones, like, what are these called? Sprinkles. Eyeballs, bones. Weird. Yeah, it looks creepy. We've got some fun little, just other, you know, Halloween sprinkles. We've got some gluten-free Oreo cookies. I mean, technically they're called chocolate cream sandwich cookies. They're great values version of Oreos. And you're gonna need some instant pudding. So we've got I bought 2 just in case, I wasn't sure.
Yeah.
But that's everything that you're gonna need. We're actually gonna display it all cute here for you guys. I got these little bats. They're like 98 cents. I also got these 2 cute little pumpkins from Walmart, and this little beaded rope thingamabobber for like $2.98.
Beautiful.
She's showing all the pumpkins. And then this little board is Better Homes and Gardens. So it's gonna look so cute when we're all done. So we need a spoon, don't we?
No. Crunchy.
Don't touch it.
We need to get a little spoon. We can just pour this right into the cups. Okay.
I thought we were doing it. No.
We'll do the Oreos in this.
Wait, can I scrape some? No.
Oh, you wanna scrape some?
Yeah.
Does that look fun?
Yeah. I want to.
So the next thing that we're going to do.
Let me do it. No, let me do the last little pouch. Beautiful. Okay.
Okay, so we've got that. That's all good. Phoenix, actually, why don't you work on that right here behind and just crush it so that they're all into little bits. And then Miss Lil, you and I are going to take these Oreos. Here, you come on this side, baby. So we're just gonna basically start grabbing the Oreos.
And they look like regular Oreos. They don't even look gluten-free.
We're just going to, should we grab it on a little knife? Did you just eat one? Shady. Oh, that came off so easily.
Oh, wow.
We're just gonna take off all the cream. So we're just doing the whole pack because we don't want to have too little, right?
Yeah. And look how easy they come off. They just slide right off.
They just scrape right off.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's the top and sometimes it's the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, we're almost done. Then Phoenix is gonna help us use the little use the little blender thingy. Okay, so we're basically just going to, I don't know how many to add at a time. Normally I put this in the Vitamix, so we're gonna see, I just got this little doodad. So we're gonna do like that many right now.
Crunchy.
Okay, Phoenix, you're just gonna press this button right here at the top. Whoa! Wow! Keep going. There's still some bits.
Look at it.
Wow, that worked great. Just gonna grab a bowl.
Wait, that's like the strawberry thing we had.
What strawberry thing?
The strawberry thing where you like pull it and it chops off the strawberry.
Oh yeah.
Do we need to put more in?
Yeah. Okay. This time we're gonna add way more in. We're like even it out a little bit. Okay. Should we do a little bit more? And then we'll see how it goes.
Right there.
This is a really quick way to do the Oreo crumbs.
One more right there.
Okay, Phoenix, pop it on. Okay. Keep going. Whoa, perfect crumbles.
Wow.
Amaze. We'll add the rest of these in.
Sounds good.
Pop it on there, Fiend.
Oh.
Let's check this. Oh yeah, this is great. Okay, so let's set these both to the side. Okay, so now we have a mixing bowl. These are also by the Drew Barrymore line. Okay, so now we are just gonna take the chocolate pudding. So, you wanna pour it in? She's gonna pour it in. I don't know how to film with cooking tutorials. How do these people do it? Like honestly, it's so difficult. We need 3 cups of cold milk. Okay, so we need 3 cups of cold milk.
Should I pour it in, Mama?
Not yet. We're gonna use our Little Beautiful by Drew Barrymore measuring cups.
So pretty.
Phoenix, do you wanna pour these in? Sure. Okay. So 3 cups. Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
Now can I pour it in?
Now you can pour it in, Lil.
Okay, watch how satisfying. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay.
We have a new attachment. We're gonna add the whisk onto it.
Oh my god, there's so many different.
I know. Oh, look at this thing. Okay, we're gonna start off on low.
Should we put it down a little?
Okay, we're gonna do it on. Ah! Oh! Are you getting sprayed? Oh my god, it's spraying everywhere.
Look at my arms.
Hold on, Andrew.
No, it's nothing.
What?
I just realized I'm like staring into their soul.
Look at that gorgeous pudding. So now we can start assembling. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're gonna put a little bit of this on the bottom simply because I just love it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get a spoonful of your crummies. Okay, a spoonful of crumbs. Okay. Grab your cup. There you go, Lil. Good job, guys. Oh, here we go.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, perfect. There we go.
And then I add a little more to the third one. There we go.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, now you're gonna add your dirt.
Dirt.
So let's put this in the middle. Okay, grab your spoons. And you're gonna add those to your cups like that. Perfect. So do that to each of your cups.
Man, we went through it fast. There we go.
Okay, there we go. Perfect. Now we're gonna need our pudding.
Pudding.
So we're grabbing the eyeballs and you're gonna have to face them out.
So like this?
Yeah, like stick them in the dirt. Oh, perfect. Like right on the edge. Like this. Like 2 eyeballs. Nope. Like 2 eyeballs like this.
Okay.
Okay?
Do that for like each one.
Phoenix, you gotta have it so that it's right on the edge. Like this.
It looks like somebody looking out.
Okay, perfect. So you gotta have them standing up.
Mine's cross-eyed. Never mind. Okay.
Creepy. Okay, you got your eyeballs. Now we're gonna get some pudding. So grab your spoons for your pudding.
Okay.
And you're gonna very carefully put the pudding in so that you don't disturb the eyeballs.
Oh no, I'm scared. It's like jiggly.
Yes, pudding.
It's like Jello pudding.
It's cone.
It's cone. I'm scared.
Okay, put it in. Perfect. And then try not to get it on the edge.
I got it on the edge.
It's fine. Okay, so you're gonna do a layer of pudding on each one.
Oh my god, I want to eat some.
That's good. Perfect. Okay, so do your other ones. Your eyeballs covered. Oh, there's just one peeking out.
Oh no. I'm scared.
Okay, pop it in. Oh yeah, look at that.
Spread it on the edge. Oh, I keep on getting it on the edge.
It's okay. Did you lose your eyeballs?
No, they just.
Oh, they're peeking. Okay.
So which?
So you guys can do another layer of graham cracker if you want, or you can just keep it real dark and dirty now.
I like the dark.
Okay, that's good for that one, Fiend. Just do 1 spoonful for each.
Like sprinkle it on there.
Yep. We're just gonna keep on doing layers. Oh no, it's okay. They're like hiding in the dirt. They're fine. Okay, Fiend, you got your dirt?
Yes.
You can continue doing 1 more layer of pudding. But this time, you're gonna add some bones. What's wrong? Oh no!
My spoon.
Okay, see? You gotta put your little bloody bones in.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh, I forgot my.
you're gonna lose your spoon, friend.
I know.
Okay, put your bones in.
I want to eat one. Okay.
You gotta put it up so that it won't get, otherwise it'll get hidden. Oh, Phoenix.
Let's see if I get it this time.
Yeah, there you go.
Yay.
Okay, so you're gonna spread your pudding around just a little bit. You're putting your stuff in. Okay, he's spreading around. Oh, that's hard. Oh, maybe not. Okay, that's okay.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna.
Just add a little bit more.
I'm gonna do this broken one.
There you go. That's perfect, Fiend. Now, more dirt. Okay, how you doing, Lil? You got to put them on the edge, otherwise they can't see.
Oh.
See what I mean? Like, oh, they're a bit fiddly.
They are a bit fiddly.
Okay, there. If you put them all along the edge, then they'll show.
My eyes are
Okay.
open.
Now, Phoenix, it's time for the RIP.
Oh.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, RIP. You need worms?
Yums!
So stick those babies in.
Good slow.
Oh yeah, there you go. Creepy little worms. You could even have one hanging off. You got a hair on your finger too. There's one
Look how appetizing
in your
this
pudding.
looks.
Oh no. Oh wow, look at that. Now you need to add a spider and a pumpkin. Not on their RIP stone.
Oh, well, I was supposed to put
There
it
we
on.
go. Okay, and add a pumpkin. Oh no, not that one.
It's not that one. You gotta have a good looking one. There we go.
Oh, yes. Look at that. Where's the creepy carrot eyes? Oh, there they are. Oh, he's doing 2 pumpkins. Okay.
And one for my mouth.
Okay. Miss Lil, I got
almost
your spoon.
done.
Okay. Do you need me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want me to start adding the dirt?
Sure.
Okay. Well, basically, you just keep layering it, guys, and adding little bones and eyeballs and pudding until you get to this delightful little dessert. We're gonna do a sandy graveyard.
Yeah.
So she's just gonna add all the things. Here, I'll grab you some worms.
We live in Mars today.
We live in Mars.
We're doing things.
Here's your wormies.
Worm blurms. Their new names are worm blurms.
And then you need a spider. Ooh, yeah, look at those.
They're
There's a spider
Get
for
in
you.
there.
You each get 2 spiders. Wow, look at these. They're looking great. Phoenix has got some sprinkles in there. He's got some worms. He's got 2 RIP stones.
Oh, wow.
Oh, these are cute.
This one's kind of shallow.
That's okay.
I guess I
They
can
weren't
put-
working hard enough when they buried him.
Now I can have a worm layer.
Who are we burying?
Oh, the zombies or something. I don't... Oh, he's having a layer of worms.
I'm having a yummy layer so that
Oh, wow.
the yums.
Wow, yabs.
I don't think I need more yums.
Okay.
We need more pumpkins.
Oh, wow, Lily's got some bones. Phoenix, what about some bones poking out?
Yeah, that's what I did with this.
You need some bones in this one, too.
No,
Oh!
It fell.
Did you get any pumpkins, Lil?
I got one. I need
Okay.
more though.
You got one right there.
Oh. We got a crack in it.
Oh, he's mangled. Oh, wait, that's a worm.
yums.
I need one more pumpkin.
Okay, there's your pumpkin.
And of course,
Okay.
Oh, wow, look at those. They are looking so cute. You got your spiders.
I'm gonna do it on my face.
what are these little thingies?
Okay.
They're spiders or bugs.
Yeah, little bugs. Ooh, there's skeletons. Those are kind of cool. Oh, yeah, add the skeletons.
Ah, my.
They went flying.
We definitely need a skeleton there.
I'm doing some more bugs.
These are so fun. I love it. You guys have done great. These look very
Jelly
spooky. They're really going all out with the sprinkles. The moment of truth.
Are they delicious?
We're gonna eat them. We actually haven't eaten dinner yet. But this is our
Is
dinner.
this edible?
It's all edible. Are you coming, Lil? She's adding more sprinkles.
Scooter.
Here.
You can have all
Don't eat the spider.
He's gonna eat it.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
You
I
ready?
wouldn't recommend eating the spider.
Oh, you're getting crumbs everywhere.
I'm not.
Okay.
Well, why is there a spider?
Holding my spoon around.
Because it's spooky.
Scary.
Okay, I'm gonna take the first bite. I'm scared.
Yeah.
It's too beautiful. I don't
Okay.
want to ruin it.
Ah.
Oh.
First bite, you go. Let's see what you think.
Mm.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Mm.
This is like the best dessert you ever had.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
Mm.
Yum.
That's fun. That's fun to make, huh?
It was really fun. You guys have fun. Did you like making this? It's actually so delicious.
I
It's so
know,
good.
this is so good. This just have like pizza for dinner.
Anyway.
Well, we're gonna go ahead and eat these whole cups.
Don't mind us.
You guys are making an absolute mess.
Phoenix is not me.
Here, why don't you guys go sit at that bar?
See ya, besties.
They're literally making, they're just spilling crumbs everywhere. They're so good. They're fun to make. They're easy to make. It's affordable because it really wasn't expensive for all the stuff. And it's a super fun, festive Halloween treat for the kids. We made it gluten-free. Obviously, you don't have to, but with all the ingredients that we got, which I will link down below, they're all gluten-free.
It tastes the same.
It does taste the same. Ooh, my spooky eyeballs.
Oh, creepy.
Happy Halloween. Oh, what's everyone gonna be for Halloween, or what's your kids gonna be for Halloween? I just got the RIP stone and it's very, very hard to chew. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to Walmart for partnering up with us for this video. You can get all your groceries and all of the fun festive items that you need for the holidays at Walmart. You can do pickup, you can do delivery, you can go in store. It's super easy and convenient and affordable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye. Okay, bye. Bye, bestie. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye. See ya. Everyone say bye at the same time. Bye.